Hi everyone, welcome to iToolab channel. Are you frustrated with your device when it is stuck on Apple logo? Today I'll tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on black screen with Apple logo. Let's get started. To begin, download and install FixGo onto your computer. Connect your iPhone with it. Select the standard mode and click Fix Now to begin. Then click Download to begin downloading the latest iOS firmware for the device. The firmware file is large, so it will take some time to complete. After downloaded the firmware package, click Fix Now to continue. iToolab FixGo is repairing your device now. Just hold on. Once finished, your iPhone will be restarted automatically. Finally, click Done to finish. Congratulations! You fix iPhone stuck on black screen with Apple logo successfully. Don't forget to thumb up, subscribe or share if you think this video is helpful.